coming. Today we have, yes, Commodore 64 with yellowed keys. Are they yellowed? I think they are yellowed. I don't think they're smoking yellowed. I think they're yellowed. And on the back it says works. Have original box. Yellowed. Small board. There may not be a whole lot to do with this. There may not. Just to verify what it is, I supposedly already know. If that's the case, life is good. We'll just turn it on. It comes up. That's good. Keyboard seems good. I'm just going to fill the screen with X's. I'm going to shut it off. I didn't see a note about the SID chip. I did not. So I'll run it through the dead test. Comes up, and we're off to the races. We are. Let's see, are we charged? We are charged. So, once again, this looks like it has the original protective plastic with some blemishes. Is this wise that I'm doing? I don't know. Maybe it's not wise. Maybe I'll just leave it. Anyway, yes, so we are continuing on our Commodore 64 triage and emergency room assessment. Anything that requires more than swapping out things that I can swap out, of course, end up in the intensive care unit. And there are a lot of them. I don't know how many. The bin that I thought, oh, here we go. Well,
that was easy.
Looking good. The bin that I have put such intensive care machines into is now overflowing. Excuse me. Ugh. And the place that I was piling Commodore 64s at work, I've got to find a new place. But before we forget, works. Have original box. Have to hunt for that. SID. Okay. Oh yes. December 2019. Oh, this is funny. Almost just as a parting shot, the warranty sticker is there, but it's been moved to beside the hole. As if to say, no, I didn't open it. But of course, the residue from the sticker makes it clear that this has been opened. sticker has been preserved. Oh, the sacred warranty. Well, there's not much more to do with this one. So, we'll end it there for the moment. And stay tuned. We'll look at more machines of varying sorts. But that's about all I have to say today. So, bye for now. Thank you very much for coming.